The future of farming may not include farmers. No hands in the soil, no tractors in the ground, just data, machines, and algorithms. This is not like science fiction. This is already happening in USA and India. Farms are becoming fully automated systems. Because the world population is rising, food demand is increasing, but farmers are decreasing. So the system have to evolve. So the question is how US farmers use tech and AI, how they produce massive amount of food. To understand this, first we understand how GPS work and what is precision farming. In modern USA farms does not guess anymore. They are calculated using satellite data. Machines know exactly how seeds are planted, how much fertilizer needed, and where the resource being wasted. This is called precision farming. Less output, more gains. Now imagine a farmer look the entire field from the sky. Drones can plant, satellite detect plant health. Even the human eye can detect the problems, disease detect early, and decision make instantly. So to the farmer have less stress, less effort, and grow their entire food easily. And guys, water is the very important substance in agriculture. Water is the main thing. But sensor in the soil can measure the moisture level and automatically release water when needed. No guesswork, no waste. And this is where even more get things powerful. Artificial intelligence AI can predict weather patterns, suggest best crop, and planning the future year. And some plants like machine plants, machine harvest, without human intervention. Now one step further, farms without soil. This is not another science fiction. This is already happening. Vertical farms inside buildings. A normal plants go in sunlight, photosynthesis and all over the things. But in this case, plants are grows in LED bulbs. Completely controlled environment, faster growth, no dependency on the season. So the real question is, if machine can do everything, do we still need farmers? The truth is, farming is not disappearing. Like is the current situation, AI cannot replace the job. AI redefine the job. Those who adapt AI, they have a great future. In the same way, farms are not being replaced. They are upgraded from laborers to the system operators. And do you know, it is a political point of view, India cannot open the agriculture market for the world because we are not massively produce food and agriculture. In US side and other, they heavily produce massive amount of food using technology and other things. So when we open this, the local agriculture market will completely disrupt. Let's talk about what India learned in this story. The most and importantly, we educated our farmers. When farmers are educated enough, they using technology, AI and grow their food easily and produce a better healthy food. And this is where the real opportunity begins. Agri startups, drone service and the education. And the future of farming is not agriculture, it's business. And countries like India, where the small farmers dominated, technology can unlock massive potential. It creates a gap who adapt this technology, who don't. So the future farms don't need traditional farmers. They need thinker, builder, and the entrepreneur. If you understand the future of food, business, and power, subscribe. It is just a beginning.